So it's a couple minutes after 4. We're going to start this weekend off running a 5K. The last time that I have ran was probably in 6th grade for gym class when I had to run a mile. So we'll see how today goes. After that, we're going to get some stuff done in the office, and we're going to do an open house tomorrow. But before we do all that, we need to get some breakfast, and I'll see you here in a minute. So for breakfast this morning, we are gonna make these Kodiak cakes, peanut butter protein waffles, and have our blueberry overnight oats. So with our waffle, we're gonna have some of the best juice in the world. This Dole Pineapple Orange Banana. If you haven't tried it yet, it's a must-have. All right, so it's about 6:15. We have to be at the race at 7:30, so we're gonna go ahead and head out. So next time I see you, I will be at the race. All right, guys, we made it. I'm gonna go get my race bib, and then I will check in with you when we get down there. Alright, so we just finished the race. I didn't bring my phone with me, or I would have taken some video as I was running, but needless to say, I'm alive. I should have prepared, but it was fun. When we were done, we got these medals, we got our bib, and then we also got a pumpkin and a hoodie. All right, it's time to shower, and then we got to get a couple things done for work. I'll check in with you when we get done. All right, so we just showered. We are going to head to an open house. The open house is from 2 to 4. I just went out and got some cookies and water for everyone that comes. After that, we are gonna go get some tacos for dinner. So let me get changed, and I will check in with you when we get to the open house. Alright guys, so we just got to the open house. We're gonna go ahead and start setting up. The open house starts in about 15 minutes. Hopefully we get a bunch of people coming through. I'll check back with you during, and then at the end I'll let you know how it goes. All right, so for my typical open houses, I don't use the normal paper, pencil, you sign yourself in. I actually use the electronic version where you can actually scan in on your cell phone,
or I have an iPad set up where you can sign in through my iPad as well. So let me show you what that's like. Alright, so the way I do my open houses is I bring my iPad with me so they can actually sign in right from my iPad, or I also have my QR code. So what I do is I have them scan in with their cell phone right to my QR code that sits beside it, and how that works is they just take out their phone, you go into your camera, scan the QR code, and when it pops up, that is your sign-in sheet to my open house. Now this makes it much easier because everybody has their phone with them, and then at the end of the open house, all my leads get sent right to my CRM. It makes it much easier to keep track of and how to follow up with them. Alright, so our open house is all finished. We had approximately 15 to 20 couples come through in the hour and a half that it was open, so that was a super good turnout for today. We already sent out emails to everybody that has checked in. So now we're going to go ahead and clean up all of our stuff, and we're going to head out to dinner. Hey guys, so it's Monday morning. We went out for dinner last night at Bomba Taco. If you are from the area, you definitely need to check it out. I didn't take any video or any pictures. We were focused on the food. After that, we went to Cold Stone, got some ice cream. We got back kind of late. Like I said, it's Monday morning. That was my weekend, and I will see you for the next one.